Zwoṱhe zwo lugiselwa ḓuvha ḽihulwane ḽa matshelo. Allysa Fortser u khou dzhia ḽiga ḽa u thoma kha lwendo lwa pfunzo musi matshelo a tshi ḓo vha tshi khou thoma tshikolo, hune afho a vha na ndavhelelo nnzhi.
Meeting my teachers and new friends.
Fhedziha kha vhabebi vhawe vha ri ndi zwithu zwa vha ḓurela vhukuma.
You're never really quite ready for it, and I think that it takes a bit of saving during the middle of the year, but also the whole GDE process. You don't know which school your kid is going to be going to, so you can't really be prepared. But yeah, it is an exorbitant expense as far as uniforms concerned. I feel that the prices are a bit inflated, and it does hurt the pockets a bit.
Vhadzangano ḽi langaho khorombudzi dza zwikolo vha ri vha khou vhiledzwa tshoṱhe nga mitengo i re nṱha vhukuma ya uniform.
It showed that now there were some clandestine connections between the school and that particular shop. So then finally we had a memorandum of understanding with the competition commission so that people should compete equally. And if then we find that there are those people who are doing all those things, those people must be investigated. And if it is found that it is true that our parents are being forced to go and to buy at a particular shop with exorbitant prices, then it be a principal, it be school governing body, it be official of the department, that particular person must be punished.
Fhedzi kha Allysa ene ane a khou thoma lwendo ulu lwawe matshelo ene khou sumbedza u takala vhukuma a sina tshimuḽisaho mbilu.